Hi.
Hi.
Good day today? What'd you get?
I got a face wash from Kiehl's and I picked up my dress.
You want to show it? No.
No. I just put it on and then took it off. I sent a picture to my mom and my sister.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Good job, bro.
Thanks.
Battery off. Charging. Remote. Okay. Hey everybody, so some of you might know this, but I got a new drone. I got the DJI Mavic Pro drone. Kind of is not good because DJI just came out with a new drone today. January 23rd, they came out with a brand new drone. So 3 days ago I brought my drone, now they come out with a new one. Oh well, I still love the DJI Mavic. I'm going to go take it out for a little test ride today. So follow along as we go do that. I'll put some of the footage on for you. Okay, so just got back from testing out the drone. What an incredible experience that was. Really love the drone. I'm just so giddy right now, I don't even know what to say. Loved it. Battery didn't last too long, so I didn't get to test out too many features. I tried out the Track Me feature, which is really cool, where you set it up so that it tracks you. You set yourself up as the focus, and then it comes and then you run around and it actually will track everything where you are, and you can channel it to do different things. So I had it in the profile mode, which means that it follows me at a level pace, at my same level, and it follows me at that level rather than going up high so that you see down low below. So that was a super cool experience. I'm so excited to try out some more stuff. Hopefully you are too, so you can see some of the footage. All right everyone, have a good night. Bye.